Hey, what's up guys? This is Jarvis. Welcome back in another video. In this video, I'm gonna install Android 10 based custom ROM on J5. So guys, I am using J5. As you can see, this is my J5 model number is J510FN. So in this video, I'm gonna install Pixel based ROM which is based on Android 10. So let's start the video. Guys, we can install any custom ROM with the help of TWRP recovery. Guys, I hope you already know how to install TWRP recovery. If not, then click here. Guys, I'm gonna install Pixel based ROM, so I also already download this ROM in my OTG. Now I am gonna connect my phone with the OTG. Now my phone is connected with OTG. Open file manager application and here is my USB storage device. Just open this and as you can see Pixel Experience J5 which is about 760 MB. You can easily download this file from the description box. Guys, it's time to put your phone into the downloading mode. I'm just power off my phone and we can put the phone into the recovery mode by press volume up, power button and home key simultaneously. Now I'm gonna put my phone into the recovery mode. So guys, my phone is boots up into the TWRP recovery. This is the interface of TWRP recovery. Guys, I recommend to take a backup before perform any action in TWRP recovery. If you face any type of boot loop problem, then you can just restore this backup. Guys, I already make this backup as you can see here. If I face any problem, then I just restore this. Now click on wipe, click on advanced wipe and select cache, Dalvik cache, data, don't select internal storage, cache, system, hidden. Guys, if you select internal storage, then your internal storage will be erased. And now click on swipe to wipe. Now wipe is complete. Just go back and click on install. Select the file in OTG and Pixel Experience. Here is my file. Click here and just swipe to confirm flash. Guys, this process may take 3 to 4 minutes, so be patient. I'm just pause the video to make the video short. Now file is flash successful. As you can see, it's successful. Nothing to do here, just click on reboot system and click on do not install. Guys, first time it may take 5 to 6 minutes, so be patient. I'm gonna pause the video to make the video short. As you can see the logo, and this mean you installed custom recovery on your phone. As you can see here, set bit warranty kernel. As you can see the logo of Google Pixel ROM. Now phone setup is successful and as you can see custom ROM is also installed on my phone. So as you can see the experience is very smooth. Guys, in my experience this ROM is the best ROM for this J5 because it's very smooth and Android 10 comes with awesome gestures like I'm just show you. So by just swipe here we can access recent applications. This is the best gestures of Android 10, and this ROM is very smooth for this phone because you know the Samsung UI lags too much. So go to settings, about phone, Android 10. As you can see, device is based on Android 10, and the Android patch level is 5 June 2020, and the today's date is 6 August. And guys, everything is working good on this ROM. Just open the camera, and as you can see, camera is also work fine. Here is the back camera. So everything is work fine in this ROM. Guys, I use this ROM for last 3 days and I'm not face any type of problem or lag. So you can install this ROM by this way. So guys, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe the channel. Guys, I request to subscribe the channel because 98% watch time is from the non-subscribed viewers. So guys, please subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching Tech Jarvis.